Hi everyone. In this video we will discuss about periodic review system or P system, and we will calculate target inventory level when demand is variable and lead time is constant. We have the information of a gift shop. This gift shop is operated by a museum of natural history, and this gift shop operates 52 weeks per year. Top selling SKU is a bird feeder. Sales are 18 units per week, and the standard deviation in the weekly demand is 5 units. The lead time is 2 weeks, and the supplier charges $60 per unit. Cost of placing an order with the supplier is $45, and the annual holding cost is 25% of a feeder's value. The queue system called for an EOQ of 75 units and a service level of 90%. As an operation manager, you are required to figure out what is the equivalent P system or periodic review system. To solve this problem, we will first calculate the annual demand. Annual demand can be calculated by multiplying the weekly demand, which is 18 units per week, with the number of weeks, that is 52. So the annual demand is 936 units. We know the standard deviation of the weekly demand is 5 units and the lead time is 2 weeks. We can calculate the time between the reviews by dividing economic order quantity with the annual demand and multiplying that with 52 weeks in a year. We get the time between the reviews equal to 4 weeks. We find the standard deviation of demand over the protection interval time period. The protection interval time period is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 weeks. 4 is the time between the reviews and 2 is the lead time. So the protection interval is equal to 6 weeks. And we know that the standard deviation during the protection interval can be calculated as using this formula. We have the standard deviation of the weekly demand and we have the information of the protection interval. So the standard deviation during the protection interval is equal to 12.25 units. We know that for 90% service level, the value of Z is equal to 1.28. So we can calculate the safety stock by multiplying Z with the standard deviation during the protection interval. And the value is equal to 16 units. Next, we calculate the target inventory level. Target inventory level formula is average demand during the protection interval plus safety stock. We have the information for the safety stock, and average demand during the protection interval can be calculated by multiplying the average daily demand with the protection interval value. The average daily demand is 18 units per week and the protection interval is 6 weeks. So we get the value of T or target inventory level equal to 124 units. It means that after 4 weeks, we should order the number of units needed to bring inventory position up to the target inventory level of 124 units. The P system or the periodic review system requires 16 units in the safety stock, while the Q system only needed 9 units. If cost were the only criterion, the Q system would be the better choice for the bird feeder. However, as an operation manager, you should be well aware of this fact that other factors may influence the decision in favor of the P system. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.